Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're having trouble receiving code or if you're not being able to receive the code from an application like Instagram, Microsoft or anything, today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix it. So first thing first, make sure that you have allowed permission for notification in order to receive the code. Let's say Instagram is the application where you are not being able to receive the code. Head over to your settings, scroll all the way below, tap on apps, and then type the specific application where you're having the problem with. Tap notifications, make sure this is allowed. Once you do so, you can also clear the cache because at times if the application has a lot of cache and data, it'll show you glitch. So head over to your storage, clear the cache. Come back onto App Info page, tap Force Stop, and then OK. Now see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then you may go ahead reinstall that application again after uninstalling it. Long tap onto your app, tap on uninstall, and then OK. Likewise guys, this is how you can fix your problem. Thank you for watching.